Yes, guys, as you can see, this, right here is the reps, minute, and scan the time. On this side right here, you see you got the count, the time, and the calories. So it's like a stepping thing, guys, for your thighs. And I'm going to try it now and see how it goes, okay? Okay. Open up this thing so I can catch myself. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Guys, don't laugh at me, guys. So, don't have no shoe on or nothing. I'm just trying it out. So, yes, guys, let me see. Look at him with my big old self. Guys, this big old me. Okay? And then I go like this. And then I go like this. And I can't like biceps, guys, biceps. Okay. Yeah, like this. Okay. Something like that. It's not hard, but this needs a little bit more. A little bit more, we call it resistance. But that's the thing. But look at me. I gotta hold on. And then go like this. Yeah. And just biceps, 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 guys. Biceps, biceps, biceps. And just go like this, guys. It's working, guys. And then you can do your arm like this. Or something like that, guys. Something like that, guys. Oh, Lord. Something like that. Something like that, guys. Guys, it's smart, it's effective. And I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to try again and then come back. Yes, guys, see? See? Yeah. Count 144. And the time 1 minute and 58 seconds. Oh, guys, and my leg, they might kill me already. Yes, guys, so it is effective, guys. So I'm going to continue. I'm going to count, you see? So, guys, not bad. Oh, you hear me breathing? Don't watch that. I'm doing something about mine. Yes, guys, so. Guys, so watch me try again. Watch me try again. Can go anywhere. Can go out in your room, wherever. Guys, watch me again as I try. Whew. Guys, don't mind the noise, guys. You know, when they try to do something, that's when everybody try to do something. So there, guys, just bear with me. Whew. Bear with me, guys. I'm not gonna use a part this, guys. I'm gonna work it. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it, guys. So bear with me, guys. No matter. Bear with me, guys. I know you hear the noise, but bear with me there, guys. Whew. Ah. Guys, I know you can't work on video in noise, guys. Cause it don't make no sense. So I'm gonna stop this video, guys, cause it don't make no sense, guys. Cause I know you guys can't hear me well. So stick and stay, guys. There, guys. Yes, guys. This is this is so this is it. This, guys. So this is it. Let me get under. Get on this, guys. Get on the thing. Yeah, steady like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So 1. Guys, we can't do this. Can do curls. 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 Curls, guys, curls. Oh, my leg got killed me. Foot got killed me, guys. My legs. This big legs need to bend down, down. Pop, 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 pop. Guys, yes, my legs are killing me. My legs, guys. My steps, guys, get my steps in. Come again. Need to do this, catch this for. You see that? Catch that, guy. Catch that, catch that, catch that, catch that. Catch. Oh, yes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. There's a pass. Yes, guys. How about I can feel the perspective? Yes, guys. It works, guys, and it burns. It burns, guys, it burns. It burns, guys. Oh. I'm gonna time it, but time on it. I do have a timer on this. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Guys, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. Ooh. 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 Yes, guys. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Guys, right there, so kill me. Mm-hmm. Killing me. Yes, guys. This is the start. Yeah. Wanna try again? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna try again. Yeah. This I can do. And I'm afraid when it go to waste. Looking out for me, I gotta do it. I put in the work. I put in the work. Whew. I thank that's for so much. So I wanna buy me a treadmill to do cardio. Yeah. Oh, this is just stirring my legs. Mm-hmm. I gotta do this. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, yeah. Yes. And I can feel it right here. I want to do it one more time. Mm-hmm. This. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, God. Ooh. Burning. Sweating liver. Whatever, guys. I don't know, just get, see, told him, let's see him liver. So, yeah. Oh, yes. I'm going back up. Let me do another. Let me do another try. Another try, guys. Come. Look at me, guys. Look at me, guys. Trying. Get, get. This is a start, guys. Come on, girl. You know you got this. Alright, that's all. Balance. Balance. Alright, balance. Oh, balance. 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 Ooh, balance, 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 balance. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Oh, oh God. I'm at 6 minutes and 23. Let's see if I can go to 7 without stop. I don't have to use this drop. I'm gonna see if I can do it. This, my legs. Come on. Come on, Debs. You got it, Debs. Come on, Debs. That's my dad would say, come on, Debs. Yes, Debs, come on. Yeah, I can feel this. Don't fall, girl. I can feel the sweat, guy. The sweat. Oh. Okay. That's a minute. That is it for the day. Yeah. So guys, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Guys, yes, as you can see, the girl, Deb's Kitchen, is trying. Yes, guys, so stick and stay and, watch my video. Tell me what I'm doing wrong if you know this machine. And, stick and stay, guys. There's more content coming out. Yes, guys. Be blessed, guys. This is my new journey starting.